Alright, to start with, you have to open the DNS application, DNS Manager I think they call it, and run it as administrator. Now you do have to have DNS administration rights in order to manipulate any of these. If you want to delete something or add a new one, I think both are going to require you have DNS administrator rights. Now in Samba, that command to add a different user as an administrator is this. By default, the username administrator already has rights, and once you've done that, you can restart your Samba ADDC, your domain controller, and that will put those rights in place. So this user has those rights. We need to add some text records so that our Google email will work. With CompuMatter.com, we have some records in there that have been added from the Samba environment. I'm going to show you what a few of those look like. The DMARC record looks like that if you needed to create it and drop those values in there. That's how you do it. And the SPF record, very similar. This we'll talk about in just a minute, and cancel out of that. All right, so now let's go ahead and add some MX records for Google. We're going to right-click anywhere in the white space here. We could right-click on here as well, same thing, and add a new mail exchanger. The host or child name we are going to leave as blank. By leaving it as blank, it's going to default to same as parent folder. You don't want to type in your domain name because that will just simply end in an error because it tries to put two of those domain names down here. So just leave it blank. Come in, type in the value, type in the priority, and hit OK, and there you go. And let's do another one of those. This time we will use the Alt-4 right here, and actually make that Alt-3. The value of 10 is what we want. Go down the road. And that one will be Alt-4 with a value of 10. This will be a Alt-1 with a value of 5. And where are we? New MX. This will be an Alt-2. So these are evidently all different servers. In the case of failures, it literally goes through 5 different servers as it attempts to get your email in case they're having problems with one or the other, which is a pretty impressive redundancy. Okay, and I think that kind of covers it. When you're done with that, go ahead and close your DNS environment, come back over to Samba, and restart your Samba Active Directory environment. And Bob's your uncle. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.